Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic at BuyCritic.net, and we are doing another unboxing video slash review, kind of. We're talking about Avatar, The Way of Water in Blu-ray 3D, and this is kind of worth talking about because it's not often that we get 3D releases in America anymore. I mean, we're starting to not get them very much overseas, but to actually have one in America, it shows you the power of James Cameron. Now then, before we begin, I want to make this known, just in case you've been trying to find this and you find that the stores don't have them in stock and the prices are going really high on eBay. I just want to let you know right now, they underestimated the demand for this disc and they are printing more. I myself got this a couple weeks after the movie came out. So unless this is like 5 years in the future, don't go on eBay to buy this. Just keep going to Amazon, to Best Buy, to Target. Go to whoever sells videos. Keep asking to order it. They are making more and they will be shipping more. This is not in danger of going out of print anytime soon as far as I am aware. So with that said, let's take a look at this. Now, I kind of wish I brought the 4K so I could show you the difference in the cover, but needless to say, they are using a different picture for the cover. This is not what the 4K release looks like, although the side, they've decided to do this new thing with the side where they just have the Avatar logos. I actually kind of like that. It makes it look more like an official series, and since we're getting apparently 7 of these, and James Cameron will probably ensure that it's on physical media all the way, that's kind of a nice little touch, I think. So, you know, you go to the back, and you love how the cardboard covers shine and everything. This has a Movies Anywhere. James Cameron returns to the world of Pandora, and you take it off and you know, same picture, same everything like that, only, you know, without the shiny holograph. Remember when DVDs used to have holographic covers? Now they do that for this so that they don't have to commit to that long term. So anyway, let us open this and see what the discs look like, because a lot of people will probably never see what the 3D disc looks like, or, well, that's usually the case. This might not be the case because, again, they're going to be making more of these and they will be hitting the store shelves. I really wish they had just packaged the 4K and the 3D together, but I guess Disney didn't want to commit to making 3D discs for a bunch of people who wouldn't use them. So, first things first, I want to make sure the digital code has been taken out so that, you know, I can use it. And this is what the discs looks like. So this is the 3D movie disc. Of course, they show a shot of the water because that makes sense. Now here's an interesting thing. Here's the 3D movie part 2. This actually might be the real reason they didn't bundle them together. The movie's so long, they actually have to split the movie into 2 halves. So that's interesting. Now there is a disc behind this, and it is the bonus features, and you know, that is a cool little disc. Like, that is just really cool that they put concept art there. Like, yep, this is a bonus features disc, it's not part of the movie. Oh, and there is a disc behind this one too, and that will be the full-length movie on Blu-ray. So it's interesting that they didn't use that for one of the 3D images, because, you know, the whole, even, of course, the whole movie looks great in 3D. So anyway, let's put this back. Yeah, this might be the real reason why they didn't pack it together, because 2 discs for the 3D movie. Yeah, if it were me, I would have put this on the 2D disc and put the other image on the 3D disc, because the other image kind of, it looks like it's jumping out. So anyway, that is what the 3D Blu-ray of Avatar, The Way of Water looks like. Now, again, it's been difficult to find in stores. Again, I got mine a little late, but I do hear that it was just, they were not aware of how many people were going to buy it. There are more copies coming. I don't anticipate it going out of print anytime soon, and even if it does, it'll probably come back in print for like when the 3rd movie comes out. If you think they're not going to be selling like a 3D box set or something, you don't know how this works. So Anyway, folks, that's what Avatar: The Way of Water on Blu-ray 3 looks like. Did you manage to get your copy? What do you think of the image quality? All that jazz. Would love to know. Comment below. Like, favorite, share, subscribe. And as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.